Speaking of amazing cars, this is lot 655, the 1940 BMW 328 Roadster.
At 5 on a special little BMW here. 328 Roadster. What a great, great little car to drive, ride. Eligible events literally all over the world. Who get 500,000? Who get 500,000? Set it in wherever you like, guys. It's your sale. You set it in wherever you want. 209 bid. 300 now. At 200,000. 300,000. At 200 now. Who get 3? At 50 then. 200 now. Bit of a 3. Bit of a there.
You want to talk about head turners. As people are walking around the show floor, they're seeing all sorts of really special cars, and then they all stop to see this one.
Yeah.
This is a really cool car.
And it's for a good reason, Brian. I mean, it's a 1940 BMW 328 Roadster, but that does not tell the whole story. Essentially, this is one of 5 or 6, that's how muddy the paperwork was back then, built on the 328 chassis, essentially putting like an alloy-type body, basically showing you that there's a race car for the road. And what they essentially did with these cars is take these to races like the Mille Miglia, which is a 1,000-mile race, and some chaps would be in this thing knuckling it for a very long time. But this is jaw-droppingly beautiful. It's finished in what they call German industrial silver, and honestly, even in person, it looks like kind of an exposed metal, but it's painted.
No way.
It's fascinating.
The American version, the California Mille Miglia. This is the kind of car that is eligible for application. Maybe the Monterey Historics, some of the greatest events in the world to drive and buy right here, right now at 290 who get 300,000. 300,000, the cars in the market, selling tonight, 300 bid. Yes. 380, 90, 400, 390, 400, 400, 400, 10, 20, 25, 25. I love you, but I was going to not love you. 420 on bid. 5, 420 on bid, 425. At 430,000, is the bar open? 430,000, 30, yes? 5, 35, now I think he will be done, 35. But I won't know if you don't bid, 35. 440, I sell the car at 437.5 in the room, the phone's out, and I would let you back in if you got the notion to do it. 440,000 for the first time. Second time, third and final time, 440,000 on a new bidder.
Out of nowhere.
Yeah. 445, he says unplug it. Dang it. Saw that one. 440.25, 445. 445,000 for the first time. Second time. Third and final time I have. Are y'all done? Give me a big hand. Sold, 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 sold. Congratulations. Thanks for your help, by the way.
That is going to look great in the collection. Up next is